Hey, it's Josh over at Saratoga Honda. Just want to walk you through the delivery of a 2023 HR-V Sport. First, we'll start with your driver's side door features. You got your left and right side mirror adjustments. Obviously, your locks here to lock the windows. You got auto up and down, one touch for the driver and passenger side front. Then you have your blind spot monitoring system here. Lights up bright orange on either side when there's a vehicle in the blind spot. Next, we'll go over your steering wheel functions here, which the steering wheel is also tilt and telescopic. You have your audio functions here, plus or minus on your volume, your source to go in between your different sources of your audio. Home button goes back to the home screen. You got your voice command button here. New for the 23 HR-V is the digital information cluster, which can show you different settings and information for the driver. You got your automatic headlights. You have an auto high beam system. You got your wiper controls here, intermittent, and also your rear wipers right here. Your push button start, even standard on the LX model now. Over here you have your cruise control functions. Adaptive cruise control, so you can set a distance between the car in front of you. Your lane keep assist. And again, with your cruise control functions, you can also use the adaptive cruise control. If you hold this down, however, it just goes back to regular cruise and you don't set a distance between the car in front of you, just a speed. We have your interior light system with illuminated entry. So with this function on, when you open any of the doors, all the lights in the vehicle come on. An awesome new and easy to use touchscreen audio system here with standard CarPlay and Android Auto. And where your backup camera will come on with 3 different views. And super easy to pair your phone to the Bluetooth. It'll pop up right there for you. Standard on the 23 HR-V Sport is heated seats for both the front driver and passenger. You have auto climate control. It's for your front defroster, rear and side mirror defrosters. Featuring 3 new drive modes: normal, econ, and snow. Downhill assist control, an electronic emergency parking brake, if you pull that up. To disengage the electronic emergency parking brake, just push down with your foot in the brake pedal. And also featuring brake hold. When activated, the brake hold feature automatically holds the brakes for the driver once a complete stop is made. The driver is then able to move his or her foot from the brake pedal once stopped without the car rolling forward or backwards. A very spacious second row seating area with a 60-40 split, creating a very versatile cargo area. Featuring a smart key system, so with the key in vicinity, you can just walk up and grab the handle. And on the way out, you can touch these 3 little ridges to lock the car. Also has the walk-away locking function, so as you're walking away from the vehicle, it automatically locks. All new and standard on the sport trim level and up is a remote starter. Push the lock button twice, push hold, vehicle starts right up. And what's cool about the Honda remote start, it runs for 10 minutes and you can extend an additional 10 minutes, but it essentially puts the vehicle at about 72 degrees, summer or winter, making it a very comfortable climate inside the car when entering. It doesn't just start the vehicle off where you last left the climate control, like a lot of other manufacturers do. And to add more security to the vehicle's remote starter system, you still need to get inside the vehicle, put your foot in the brake pedal, and push the start button. This will now fully engage the transmission and the rest of the general features on the vehicle. And with the vehicle unlocked, one touch opens the gas door, featuring a capless fueling system. And once the vehicle's locked, you're unable to open the gas door. Open your rear hatch. Got a very spacious cargo area here. You got your funnel and your tools, and underneath here is your temporary spare. Again, Josh here over at Saratoga Honda, showing you the delivery of a 2023 HR-V Sport. For any additional information, please visit our YouTube page or stop in today.